Chiromancy or palmistry is the study of the lines and shapes of the human hand to determine an individual characteristics and analyze past, present, and future events. This science is divided into two broad areas: the study of hand structure and the study of the lines of the palm. And the modern theory is that the lines of the hand represent a graphic shorthand of the circuits of the brain. And the nerve group that controls the hands is exactly in the center of the brain, and all the electrical energies of our thinking pass through it. Palmists feel that the lines on the hand are formed in some relation to thought patterns, nerve linkages, or chromosome structures. The essence of palmistry lies in identifying the hand type, which can be attributed to individual characteristics. Palmistry dates to ancient Egyptians, Chaldeans, and to ancient India. It subsequently spread to China, Tibet, Persia, and other countries in Asia and Europe. The Emperor of China used his thumbprint when sealing documents in 3000 BC. Information on the laws and practice of handwriting are found in Vedic scripts and early Semitic writings. An ancient text known as the teaching of Valmiki Maharshi on male palmistry, consisting of 567 stanzas relating all major aspects of palmistry. Gypsy palm readers have their roots in northern India. As early as 3000 BC, palmistry progressed to Greece, developing with the roots of Western thought as we know it today. Handwriting was well known in ancient Greece during the 4th century reign of Alexander, who revealed his concerns about the future by a strong interest in methods of predicting it. His word makers were gypsies, who were also skilled fortune tellers. Alexander's tutor, Aristotle, is reported to have found an ancient Arabic document on handwriting written in characters of pure gold on an altar to Hermes, Mercury. In 350 BC, Aristotle wrote the following: "The palmistry is a judgment made of the conditions, inclinations, and fortunes of men from the various lines and characters imprinted in the hands." The Greek physicians Hippocrates and Galen used palmistry as a clinical aid. A document written in 247 BC deals with the significance of itching and twitching of various parts of the body, and we still associate certain characteristics with itchy fingers or twiddly thumbs. In the early 1800s, handwriting gained stature through its use by Napoleon, Balzac, Dumas, and more. Each had his own favorite hand reader. Near the end of the 19th century, the Chirological Society began. Their aim was to incorporate further advances for palmistry, including scientific research and word of charlatans. In 19th century, the medical research studying skin patterns, dermatologists, discovered the correspondence between genetic abnormalities and unusual markings in the hands. Research confirmed the link between specific fingerprint patterns and heart disease. Advances in genetics, psychology, and forensics have propelled palmistry into the modern age. Drawing from the wisdom of the ages, palmistry has evolved to reflect of the psychology of any given culture. There are two different ways which a hand can be read. A physic hand reader may not memorize the meaning of every single line and shape. For them, the hand is a point of focus. This scientific approach itemizes and analyzes the meaning of each marking and line on the hand. We are born with the markings on the hands. Some consider the hands as the mirror of the soul, but nothing is fixed actually. The lines and the markings continually change with our actions. Our lives are faded in a sense. We will operate within certain guidelines like a map. But the gift of the free will enables us to have some degree of control over our lives. The lines in the palms reveal potential to unfold. There are ways around any roadblocks, and we always have a choice when we come to a fork in the road. The palms reflects mind-body connections that give us useful information about psychological and physical health. Unlocking the secrets contained in the hands